Welcome. In front of me is a LG K51s, and today I'll show you how to reset the device through recovery mode. Now this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that, well, you don't know the pattern to. Now I have set one just for this purpose, so there it is, as you can see. So number one, we need to power off the device, and we do it by holding power key and volume down. There will be a window showing up counting down the time till it shuts off, and once it does, you want to then release power key, keep holding it, then press it again, and when you see the LG logo, let go of it and then press it once more. So let's do it now. Power key, volume down. There's the countdown, 3, 2, 1, 0. LG, let go, start holding, and we're now in the recovery mode. Now because there's a pattern, we only have the option to reset the device from here. So using volume keys, you want to navigate down, so press volume down and then confirm it with power key. Then again select yes, and the process will begin. Now this will take a couple minutes, but once it's finished we will be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.